Hyundai इंडिया वाउचर वीक 24 से 31 जुलाई 2024 के बीच नई दिल्ली के ताज पैलेस में शानदार फैशन इवेंट के साथ वापसी कर रहा है। फैशन डिजाइन काउंसिल ऑफ इंडिया (FDCI) और Hyundai मोटर इंडिया लिमिटेड (HMIL) ने 31 जुलाई को शो के समापन की घोषणा की है, जो जानी मानी डिजाइनर जोड़ी फाल्गुनी शेन पीकॉक के एक्सक्लूसिव प्रदर्शन के साथ दर्शकों को यादगार अनुभव प्रदान करेगा। एक सप्ताह तक चलने वाला यह आयोजन आधुनिक फैशन, भव्यता और रचनात्मकता को मंच पर लेकर आएगा। फैशन डिजाइन काउंसिल ऑफ इंडिया (FDCI) और Hyundai मोटर इंडिया लिमिटेड (HMIL) ने इस सालाना आयोजन के लिए लगातार दूसरे साल साझेदारी की है। इंडिया काउंचर वीक के 17वें संस्करण में 14 भारतीय डिजाइनर आबू जानी, संदीप खोसला, अमित अग्रवाल, डॉली जे, फाल्गुनी शेन पीकॉक, गौरव गुप्ता काउचर, जयंती रेड्डी, जे वालिया, कुणाल रावल, राहुल मिश्रा, रिमझिम दादू, रोज रूम बाय ईश जजोडिया, सिद्धार्थ टाइटलर, सुनीत वर्मा और तरुण हलियानी सितारों से सजे रनवे पर अपनी शानदार कलेक्शन को पेश करेंगे।
Hyundai Motor Company's global vision of progress for humanity, we have also strived to create shared value for the artisan community of India. Through our flagship CSR project, Art for Hope, we have helped to revive several rich Indian art forms from diverse regions of Bharat by providing a national platform to artisans par excellence. Thus, it is our pleasure to continue our collaboration with the Fashion Design Council of India for Hyundai India Couture Week 2024. We are proud to be a part of the 17th edition, which promises to highlight the pinnacle of our craftsmanship, celebrating the avant-garde creation of India's couturiers. For this edition of Hyundai India Couture Week, we have partnered with renowned designers Falguni Shein Peacock to create special ensembles on wheels powered by the Hyundai Ioniq 5. The Hyundai Ioniq 5 is branded with a futuristic modern design and technologies. It has also been a recipient of the several global design accolades since its launch, including the World Car Design of the Year at the World Car Awards in the United States in 2022.
Mr. Virat and his team, Mr. Park, JC from Reliance Brands, all of you have made this possible for us. But today, at the Hyundai India Couture Week, my biggest celebration and my biggest showstoppers are two. The first one, he's already mentioned, is Falguni and Shein Peacock, and there's another showstopper. And that's the one I'm also looking forward to, and that is the unveiling of the Ioniq 5. So it is the Hyundai Ioniq 5. You know, last time, the good thing is that Hyundai is not a fly-by-night operator as far as any industry is concerned. They are here in India for good. They support Indian artisans. They are supporting the fashion fraternity. And the best thing is, we love their cars. This was showcased last time, and there was a queue of people, including me, who wanted this, and we were on the waiting list. And today what you're going to see is our showstopper. We'll all be looking forward to that. Thank you very much. I know that you've come here to listen to see this, to listen to our Hyundai India management speak about our relationship. I'm extremely proud that this is the second edition. And the second edition of the Hyundai India Couture Week is going to be grander and stronger.
And of course, friends from the media. A very warm welcome to Hyundai Motor India Limited's regional headquarters here in Gurgaon. Of course, Mr. Sethi was telling me that why do we need hotels to do events like this when we have such a beautiful building. Thank you, Mr. Sethi, and I hope you share the same view about Hyundai, because I think this headquarter is a symbol of the vision we have for our operations in India, and also shows our commitment, great commitment to India and of course the communities in India. As you all know that at Hyundai Motor India, we are dedicated to crafting newer and innovative experiences for our new age discerning customers. We all know that how Indian customers are evolving, and we are guided, of course, by Hyundai Motor Company's vision, global vision of progress for humanity, and we continuously explore, ways to give back to society through our products, through technologies, through initiatives, and of course, engagements like this. Our partnership with India's marquee fashion event, India Couture Week, stands as a testament to this commitment that we have to India. And I'm thrilled to announce our partnership with Fashion Design Council of India, Mr. Sethi, for second consecutive year for Hyundai India Couture Week 2024. I would really like to extend my heartfelt appreciation to you, sir, Mr. Sethi, Chairman, FDCI. I see your passion. I learn a lot from you. I always believe that after spending 30 years in the industry, I've seen it all, I know it all. But when I see the passion in you, I really get inspired. And that is coming from the core of my heart. And you really are helping us elevate Hyundai India Couture Week to new heights. And of course, I extend my best wishes to you for the second season as well of the Hyundai India Couture Week. I'm confident that we will showcase unparalleled creativity and elegance and will set some new trends in the fashion industry.